Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am so happy you're here because today I'm going to show you around our little home all decorated for this holiday season. Come on in. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed my decorating for this Christmas. Our house is a little bit on the smaller side, but it's ours and we love it and we're using every inch of it. What I've learned through the past year or so that I've kind of been focusing on making it more of our home and our style. And I'm not a professional or anything like that. I'm just learning as I go. But I've really discovered that, every space can truly be beautiful. And you don't even have to break the bank. Just making small changes can really elevate your space. And in doing so, I really think you can improve your quality of life. So that's the message I kind of want to share in my channel. Just giving simple tips to kind of help make your home the best place on earth. So if that resonates with you, I really do hope you'll stick around and come back for more lifestyle and home decor videos as I work my way around our little house, making it at home. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Merry Christmas!